Okay. Had a pretty good day yesterday. I managed to get a little bit last night, but I noticed that I get a little antsy and I want to take trades that I shouldn't be taking. Sometimes I'm successful, but I think it puts me at higher risk to having bigger losses. Kind of going back to my old ways, which, I'm not too happy about. Alright, so I'm going to just get in the habit of marking out these zones. I think I wanted to start doing my kind of lateral zones here first. So I've got this high, this low, multi-touches, kind of works. Let's see how far we can go back with this. Yeah, and it kind of tracks the whole way. I'll call that our upper range there. I don't know if I've called this right. Let me go to 1 hour here. Kind of got this as a range target. Touch points there. And then let's see what we got down here. I think obviously this is a multi-touch point zone, maybe extend it a little bit further. I'd say these are kind of like our major touch points. If I zoom in, I mean, we kind of got a support level here. Let me see if I go to the 15, what kind of levels I got. Okay, got this up here. I got kind of like maybe this one here. Kind of got equal lows here. I'm going to use, after I do my kind of like I zoom into the 15, I'll put more of like just a line. And then I do want to keep track of just the overall trend. And we basically been in a downtrend. We've been reacting off that fairly consistently. If I take this, kind of still tracks. We're kind of still in a downtrend. Let's see it go from here to there. So now let me see what else we got. Okay, so our volume reversal candle, everything's showing blue at this moment, so I would say we're looking to go down. If we take this trade somewhere down here, that's a long. My long, if I went above here, I think I might only go to there. So short looks like a little bit of a better setup. Potentially 30 points. Depending on my entry there. 4 to 1 would be like that. I'm going to zoom in a little bit too. We kind of got a level here, we kind of got a level here. So if that's that, I might look at longs. 15 points to there. To see a big breakout. That's only 3.5 stop, but I mean, I think we would really want to see it go at least to here though. 30 points. More like that, maybe. And that's kind of our look at it here. Nine minutes till market opens. We've got all sell signals here. Oh, got a compliment on our Etsy shirt. That's nice. Okay. We're also in this kind of also in this kind of minor uptrend. So if this broke out of this trend down, I would say that's a good sign. Big push up though. I was looking to see. Got two nice reviews on our shirts. Okay, so we're gonna keep an eye on this here. Opening range, way underneath our opening range. So could be potentially having a break and retest to the downside. Watch out for that. Big move up. Let me see what's going on the Discord here. Trading call. Okay, so looks like Coach Luca's streaming today.
Guys, is that trading's hard. Trading's fast, guys. If you guys are trying to follow the signals and stuff, I always say is that coaches put up these for you so that like when the prices get to these areas, you guys should be hands-on. If it passes an area pretty fast and you feel like you missed it, it means that you maybe were hesitating a little bit. So make sure you guys are staying good. But as of now, on the 15, I'm going to the 5. The 5-minute resistance here does look good. It's just I think we could, since we already took out the high, it could lead to a fake out again. So I guess we'll put this here for now, but just don't obviously buy above it until I say. We'll put that here. Potential buys above and then potential sells down below here. And then for US 30 will be on the right side of my screen. Definitely not as pretty as the NASDAQ. We do have these lows sitting right here. Oh, we already took them out. So I guess this to me actually will be a valid level of support if we can hold a little longer. I think NASDAQ might be the move today though, guys. About 40 seconds. So stay tuned.
So my 1 hour's doing. I mean, 1 hour. We've got this fresh camera waking up from here.
We don't really have a major resistance as of now.
Want to keep an eye on this candle 1 hour.
You know, like we're starting to kind of reject here, so we can maybe look for some buys above, but about 10 seconds, guys. Eyes on as well. You got NASDAQ on the left and US 30 on the right, guys. All right, let's check out US 30 over here, guys. Oh, wrong one. Oh, look at NASDAQ coming up as well. Starting to wick above. NASDAQ just pick up that first high, guys. US 30 is trying to take out lows. No entry for me yet, I'll let you know. Ooh, NASDAQ coming down hard. I like that rejection.
Order filled.
US 30 starting to reject. I got no entry on it because it didn't break through like I wanted it to. Looking for the break on NASDAQ for sells, guys. Not in yet, but I'm just letting you guys know right here on this low. US 30 ranging.
Keep an eye on my 1 hour. That's still looking pretty good.
NASDAQ getting close to the
Order
break
filled.
area, guys. US 30 looks like it might break out for a buy, but still no entries for me just yet. So just stay patient, guys. I hope you guys can see my screen. Here, I have it full screen. Oh, we're starting to flip here on US 30, guys. NASDAQ about to break too. Could be. Both could end up with some good sells. Let's see. NASDAQ coming down, guys. Wow, we're wicking hard, guys. Good no entries so far. Chop fest. Chop fest. If you guys have taken 3 or 4 trades already, then I don't know what to tell you. Alright guys, first trade on NASDAQ. I got in there. It's starting
Order
to sell
filled.
off. We're starting to wick, but I did give it a shot. NASDAQ, 20-point stop loss. Ooh, alright, we kind of worked down to that first target, but I'm still holding. Let's see what we can do. I feel like we waited pretty patiently for it. US 30 still ranging. Let's see if NASDAQ can continue to fall here. Ooh, big rejection. If you're not in yet, just kind of wait for it to break. I kind of like the volume here, so I gave it a shot. It's kind of hard looking them both at the same time, but I did get into NASDAQ. Kind of shot down to target 1, but we're already back up here, guys. So if it re-breaks, I'll look for it again, but I mean, I feel like the levels are pretty clear today. It's just that there's some major wicks going on.
Stop filled.
Major wicks going on here. Crazy. I'm not going anywhere, guys. Like I said, let's just wait for a proper break. Let's see if we can catch it good. I'm trying to look for a full sweep. Oh. This is crazy, both pairs. And let's see. Wow, took out the lows. I hope we just don't start to buy off that. US 30 over here, guys. Let's start to see, and we will go. NASDAQ buys I'm not as confident in. Like I said, we just were looking for the sells. It could go up from here. What time is it? 30 minutes. I mean, I don't know if you guys can tell, but we're literally wicking both directions. I guess the buys could play out since we did fake out the lows. It could have some fuel to move higher. But I hope you guys both can kind of realize that. Oh, US 30 is starting to go. Like I said, guys, all we're looking for is a nice full sweep today. Not just looking for a target 1. Let's see if we can hit a target 2, target 3. Now it's starting to go. Anyone can give that a shot. I'm not in that just yet. I think US 30 could give us something too, guys. Let's wait. You can see NAS is starting to go. I just feel like we're still within that range, so waiting patiently.
Order filled.
Let's see. Why charts ain't left nothing? Like, what do you mean? Your charts look different? Definitely should not be the case. I still think US 30 could sell off right here, guys. 5 minute, not 1 minute. I'm on the 5 minute on both pairs. US 30 is looking like it's gonna sell off, guys. NAS, I know we're at like target 1, but it's not looking like it. Ooh, US 30. US 30. NAS, I think, guys, is buying up to potentially fall back down. I don't know why we would fake out these lows and kind of come back up, but we'll see. You didn't say buy. I'm not in the NAS buys. I didn't say buy. Why Mamba not live today? Mamba had a kid, so we're taking over for today. I'm not in until they both break their zone. Well, what zone? I feel like both of them led to a break. Breaking support, breaking. We broke here for sure. Literally just wicked down and turned around. US 30 is gonna come back up. We'll see, guys. Like I said, is that, you know, I didn't execute here. Let's see. Made a quick $100 thanks to let's go. Oh, you get profit on NAS buy. Good job, bro. Like I said, I was waiting for it to maybe come back up in here, but we'll see. At first sell we tried to give on NAS, guys. I mean, I kind of said that, like, you know, we would give it a shot under. If it led to a fake out, we'd have to reevaluate. But I mean, hey, led to a nice push, and there we go. Never trade in New York without Mamba. What did the charts do that Mamba could have done differently? Like, what could have been a different outcome of this morning with just different? Like, I'm very confused. I think it's like the 4th time takeover for Mamba, and we've hit dubs every single time. Full sweeps today was quick fake out, but you know, some people just, you know, some of you guys just can't trade. Can't help you all. Can't help you all. Yeah, it's like choppy, right? I mean, yeah, like I said, guys, is that you guys can't tell me this is pretty freaking choppy. Even these buys, didn't take them. We're still within the range. I was looking for this major play above, if we do end up above there. But hey, look at the NAS sales still might play out the same way. Let's see it again. You want to sell on NAS? Yes, NAS sales
Stop
coming.
filled.
That was called, bro. Some of you guys are trash. I hope this isn't your guys' first time trading. I hope this ain't your guys' first week. But you guys gotta come every single week, guys. You guys have seen every single session is recorded. Go back, watch all the New York sessions, watch all the Asia sessions, watch all the London sessions, and you guys see that. You guys see the type of results that have been making them just show up. I don't know why anyone is in their right mind took 2 trades that didn't break to the down and faked out to the top, and you clarify that isn't like the buys. I told y'all, some people here just can't trade. They're gonna take 5 trades, hit 5 SLs, and
Order filled.
But it is what it is, guys. Like, at the end of the day, we can't tell the markets what to do, but we definitely could do our best to try to predict it, right? To your Toyota Tercel. Tell him, Brad. Yeah, guys, NASDAQ's coming back down. Like I said, I did not believe in the buys, and you guys can see why. Overall bearish. I like how we kind of rejected up into here. Now let's just see if we can get a break. Tell it to your Toyota. That actually was fucking hilarious. US 3 is trying to push it again, guys. I still think
Order
you keep
filled.
wicking. Like, at least I'm not calling you guys 5 trades and you hit freaking 5 stop losses. Like, these setups on US 30, we could have taken 3 buys here, two sells here. I don't know what you guys talking about. I do 3 trades: 1 New York Mamba, 2 Power Hour with Luca, and 3 Luca for gold. That's what I'm talking about, guys. And how's your results? How's your results with that? All right, Naz. See if you're gonna give us a second shot. It's gonna be a fake out day. On God, y'all tripping Luke out to play in the education. No, like I said, bro, if this is their first time watching me, then obviously they're gonna feel a certain way. But I've been saying it, bro. If you live stream in front of, you know, too many people, there's gonna be a couple people who don't know how to trade that are gonna have something to say for sure. You know. Mamba's wife's probably better at trade than some of you impatient people I know, bro. I put Mamba's wife giving birth. Over half y'all. Whitney with Andre's my boy. Which trade did he take though? Like, I still don't understand. Like, what could you guys possibly take in the market that's happened so far? It's not like the market hit a target 5 and we missed it. Like, literally, it's just chopping back and forth. He took the range. I mean, bro, it's kind of a crazy New York session. They're just drawn. Hey, bro, like I said, been doing it too long. There's definitely gonna be some people. You guys gotta know, I've been live streaming since 2022. Like, this isn't nothing new. I had plenty of people in the chat. Mom has like 10 kids telling me facts. Might wait for this next hourly? Yeah, I mean, guys, like I said, I'm still here in like 15 minutes. Like I said, guys, not like the charts moved without us. I'm trying to find us something. Maybe this next 15 minute, you know, could trigger these sells on US 30.
I'm still seeing a lot of sell signals.
Can I
Still got 17 minutes for this candle to totally flip on us. So we are chopping around quite a bit, and it's only a few point spread here to reverse on us with
guys, look at
more
US 30.
volume. We've already exceeded the volume. So I am in a little preemptively, but it does kind of feel like it wants to go down. If I get in this sell, take profit here, then I'm going to do a hopefully break even stop loss again. Hopefully it keeps moving.
Order filled.
The Legacy Pen, what is US 30 called? It is called YM. YM is US 30. Been pretty choppy on US 30, which
Stop
you know,
filled.
we led to a bigger accumulation, so a bigger breakout will.
I need to see a better push to this level. Actually, I really need to probably see it take out this level to really want to move.
Says a 60-year point nonsense, bro. That guy doesn't seem that much younger. Brad, I don't know what he's talking about. I don't know what bro's talking about. I think there's news today. Where can I find the links to? You guys can click on my thing, or you guys follow me. Nash just won't break down neither of them. Like I still think you guys think that like we can, I can make the markets move. I don't know what to tell you. We're still sitting here. Crazy. People have no patience. I know, bro. What's funny to like literally say out loud is that in 1 minute we will only be 15 minutes into session. 15 minutes. Y'all can't wait 15 minutes for a trade? All right, guys. US 30 starting to push. I hate that we have the 15-minute open right here. But let's see US 30, guys. If this next 15-minute can kind of flip bearish, open up bullish, form a new level of support here on US 30, guys. Let's see if we can re-break the lows. We literally just keep hesitating. Nah, still nothing from me. US 30 has a nice support. If this 30-minute or 15-minute could flip, I'll give it a shot. NQ's taking out everyone. That's what I'm saying. Is like I know you guys can be mad off of a choppy session or because of the first trade or whatever. Guys, we could have gotten into so many trades and be like 5 stop losses deep. But instead, we're just waiting for a good setup. You know? Luca can use zone on, bro. Wires only. Wires only. Do we need you for New York all the time now? Nah, bro. This is Mamba session.
Order
You can
filled.
see New York doesn't want to move for me. Why do you prefer the green and white candles? Back when I first started trading, so you guys gotta think, I've been trading for a while now. When I first started trading, I had been reading this book and was listening to this one guy who was talking about how green and red candles give you a bad, alright guys, Naz is coming back down here. I have to give Naz a shot too. Gives you a bad, like, it's bad for your psychology because when you see big red candles, you're gonna associate that with losing and like you're gonna be stressed out. So I changed that and I changed it to green and white candles so that I'm never stressed out. Alright guys, I give Naz a shot. It already kind of wicked all the way down in here. I'm moving the entry. Kind of moved pretty fast right there, but I gave Naz a shot. Sorry if you guys weren't kind of listening there. We've been waiting for this break the whole time. If you guys execute up in here, it should be a good profit, but seeing if we can flush down to these London lows, guys. If we take out these lows and flip back up, then it's exactly what I explained before we even hopped on. Oh, we just took it out. So let's see. Let's see what ends up happening now that we've taken the London lows. And I want US 30 to do the same thing, guys. If you guys haven't gotten a NAS or whatever, guys, US 30 should copy NAS. If NAS flips around though, guys, I don't know what to tell you. It's exactly what we went over, but I gave it an entry, pushing back up to BE. I mean, guys, I'm giving him my best shots. Don't know what to say. Getting all these clean pushes down, clean breaks, and it's reversing. Could look for US 30 here. On the break, could lead to another fake out.
I'm in a risk-free trade now to sell.
Entry at target 1
It
SL.
looks like
Guys,
it's
I guess
hesitating
my
to move
question is
down,
this.
but we'll see.
We had this up right here. I'm looking at it on my phone. It starts to break. I missed this entry, but I get the entry right here. If you guys enter all the way down in here, I don't know what to tell you. You guys have to pay attention. Like we've had this, I didn't move the chart. The chart has not moved. We've had the same setup up, same breakout, same break. It's literally the same level we took the first trade at. So, still looking for a push. I mean, it's a clean breakout. Don't know what to say, guys. It's one of those days. You can give US 30 a shot if it flips, and that could be your last trade for the day if you take us 3 trades. Oh my god, another $300 scalp. Thank you. That's what I'm saying. Some people win on those trades because they know how to get in and get out. Some people lose because they hesitate and get in late. I don't know what to. I don't, can't please everyone. Still up 865.
Okay, this is looking
There we
better
go.
now.
I still think Nats can push,
If we
guys.
break,
Oh, there
if we
we
break
go.
this level here to the
There we
downside, that we
go.
could move. But
And guys,
it's-
like I said, if you didn't give
it's
Naz
kinda
a shot,
taken
look for
out.
US 30. You could do the same thing.
We got a fair value gap on the 1 minute up there, and we got 18 seconds where we'll start a fair value gap here on the 5 minute. It looks like it. If I'm glad I'm break even where I'm
US
at.
30 starting to
because
push. I'm not going to give
if
US
it
30 a
goes
shot,
up,
guys, because,
I
already
gotta
gave
see
Naz
more
a shot. But if you guys did not get in Naz,
to come down.
you can give US 30 a shot.
Okay, what are we doing?
Yeah, I made $400 luckily. I trailed my stop. There we go.
Okay,
You have to take any
this
TV
might
ones you
be
can
good.
get. I mean, in
might
this
be
market,
good.
bro,
If we break this
I
low,
have to. Naz, I still think can
We
push,
could
though.
move.
There's still so much downside. Like, we're overall bearish. We waited for the break. 15 minute just open. US 30 is starting to go if you guys took that one.
okay. Now I think we might break out here.
How much you made, Luca? I hit stop loss in the first trade, and then I'm holding the second Naz trade. So, don't know exactly how much I made yet because I haven't closed.
Okay.
Come on, Naz. Oh, boom. This is what we've been freaking waiting for. Guys, patience. How many people left? How many people left the stream? We have 1.2 people here. Everyone who left
I'm
after
at
the first
2-1.
trade, boom, US 30 going 2.
I'll be at 2.
Good freaking shit.
2-2.
Take some partials on Naz, guys. Come on. Everyone's gonna be so mad when they see that we stayed and waited patiently and ended up hitting a win. Ridiculous.
We're moving down now, pretty good.
Ridiculous.
It's a 3.
All right, guys, I'm taking partials here. I'm not gonna let this turn
I'm
around.
actually in
If you're in
at
Naz, do not let this turn. Or even if you're in US 30. Come on. Where's my camera at? Bang. Bang. If you guys want to be in the vlog, say what's good. Put some W's. And just like that, guys, what a choppy morning. We had to wait super patiently for this New York session, but sells ended up playing out. Overall bearish on the day. W's in the chat. We had 1,600 people here, but because we had to wait, only 1,200 people. These are the people who deserve the win, is the ones who stayed the whole time. If you left early, you did not mean you literally shouldn't have been able to win this. So big dubs. Let's freaking go. Oh, actually, I'm gonna take a video set to Mamba. These are those trades we show up for, guys. Holy shit. Everyone's gonna be so mad when they left the stream and saw that we had a freaking W. Bang! Guys, just like that. I mean, I don't know what to say. We had to wait pretty patiently to start. How many people we still got here? 1,600 people were here and only 1.1K. We had 1,200 people here for the wins. 400 people left because we had to wait 15 minutes, guys. If you're an impatient trader, you don't deserve these wins. Big W's in the chat. Let's freaking go. Did I not say I wanted a full sweep, chat? Did I not say I wanted a full sweep? All we had to do was wait patiently.
That's.
Oh my god.
I think that really is the trick to the
my
breakout.
god. Who's still holding the
Is
US
waiting
30
for the
or not,
breakout.
guys? I mean, this is
You
a
gotta wait
pretty
for.
freaking
Now I
fire
didn't,
play. You guys all deserve this win.
but I did
Everyone
get a good
else who was
position.
talking shit earlier and left the stream earlier because New York Open was really freaking slow, they don't deserve the win. You guys deserve these wins. Patience freaking pays. Patience freaking pays.
I'm gonna let this one play out, even if it goes
I
back
have to
up.
break
and-
even on Funny Let's Go. Everyone, here, should I just add everyone in the chat and just say bang, and everyone's gonna be pissed.
Kind of tweeze are bottoming at the bottom here. But we got a minute 30 left on this candle here to.
Hold on. Everyone stay here.
Got $92 here. We're kind of closing strong though on this 1 hour. We still got 1 minute to close on this 1 hour. Tweez are bottoming so far, but let's see if we take out a fair value gap. We're
Boom!
wicking into a fair value gap.
W's. Everyone go like that stuff.
Okay, respecting it so far. Wicking into it. Maybe it's just a healthy pullback here. We're pushing down nice and
Boom.
strong.
So I always laugh, guys. The earlier, here's what I think is that earlier in session when like people were kind of talking shit, and I kind of was sitting here and kind of taking it, is that all I know is that if we just stay long enough, right, we're gonna forever get these results, guys. We do this too often. Every single day we show up, we take the same trades. A lot of times, guess what? There will be fake outs. There will be times that price is ranging and won't give us the cleanest breaks. But guess what? If we just keep executing the same setups, they're gonna play out over time.
3, 2, 1.
It does suck when we get on
Nice kind of
stream
strong
and the
push
first
here.
trade is kind of a fake out or whatever.
Okay,
These are the ones you have
nice.
to wait for. If you
Yeah,
take
break
one
this
loss,
low,
boom, you
keep
lost 1%. Take
moving.
a second loss, boom, you lost 2%. You take a
And
trade
this
like
looks
this,
good.
you win
I think we'll
4%,
take profit.
5%. That's what this is about.
We're gonna
Like,
take
truthfully.
profit here.
You know what I'm saying? So
Nice push down. Could range a little bit, maybe on the bottom as it starts to run out of gas, or it could continue. But I think it will take profit here, so I'm gonna
let's
just
do
hold
14K
out.
made this month because you. Let's go. Oh, you do nuking your. I'm thinking about I'm moving to Florida for a little bit next month, so I probably do when I'm in Florida because it's like 9:30 over there. So I'll trade. Maybe I'll trade like 15 minutes after open, like after Mamba's done. I'll do it.
And make a fair value gap here in
Wow,
10
guys,
seconds.
full freaking sweeps. 1, 2, 3, 4. Double targeted fives. Wow. Target. Oh my God, come on here, it's 30. Louis, so one thing you could do that I like to do on setups like this. Look at my screen. Look at US 30.
Oh, you up? Okay, that's good. Just make sure you up.
What?
No, I just want to make sure you up.
How are you?
I'm good.
You get something to eat this morning?
Yeah, I make fried rice.
Okay. What time do you think you got out today?
The party finished 2 o'clock.
Okay.
It's an employee party.
Oh, yeah. Okay. Probably not good too, huh? Well, I had a good trade. I got out to do my walk, and then I'm trading, and I had a great trade, so have a good morning too.
That's good.
I love you. Have a good day. Are you walking? Or are you walking to work, or what are you doing?
Yeah, in the morning my brain still sleepy.
Oh,
So when I walk out, I cannot remember if I locked the car or not. So I go there to check, but it's
Oh.
locked.
Okay. Good. Nice.
Yeah. But I drive good.
You drive good? Good, man.
Huh?
You drive good even though sleepy, you say? Yeah, you gotta make sure you're not fall asleep.
No, it's not that sleepy, but my brain is not there yet. My memory,
Yeah.
still have somewhere. But it's good.
Okay, baby. Well,
Uh,
love you.
yeah, I love you too.
This is my trade here. It's
Bye.
almost 1 pip away from
Oh,
taking
bye.
profit. Shit. Okay, baby. Love you.
Huh?
My trade.
bye-bye.
Bye. Pretty big wick here, so I might pull out of this. I'm out. It's not bad. 161 for today. Kind of wicking back up on ES and a lot of these other. The 1 hour's wicking back up, so that might have been an end of it. I had it, well, at least right there on the edge of where we should have been. We could see another push down later. It's kind of been doing that lately. We'll see what happens with this. We got the volume 22,000. We got on the one. Let's look at the 1 hour. 45 seconds on the 1 hour. See what this next game is trying to do here. I'm out. I mean, it's a good trade. I don't know how many points I ended up getting. My exit was 428, so not. $25 points. I mean, should I try to go for it again and get the rest of it? I'm gonna go for the rest of it. I'm gonna be nutty. And I think it'll go down a little bit more. I will double down if I need to. No wick at the bottom here, 0 wick. Zero wick. Okay, I could screw around and lose it all today, but let's see what happens. I'm kind of wicking down again. A lot of fake outs today, so would not be surprised if it continued down. I got out in maybe a little bit better position if it goes down to my take profit. But we're going to see what's going to happen on this 1 hour. It's not going to beat the volume from previous. So we do still have this bearish 1 hour candle. So I don't know that we're going to have the volume. I mean, we're at 7,000. We're not quite at the volume that it would, I think, reverse on us like we did here. I don't know if we'll get there. We're only 2 minutes in. We're at 7,000 though. We're pushing down again. I'm gonna get that full. Okay, we'll see. We're gonna try to make this work. This is where I don't see any non-wick reversal candles here. I don't see any non-wick reversal candles. So my theory is that little nubs, but I don't think there's any non-wick reversal candles. Let's look at some other potential retracement levels. So 3.7 could be a little bit of a turnaround. I'm gonna get out there. I'm gonna get in one here, try to reposition a little bit. This is my old style, which it's not. It's gambling. It's more like gambling, I think. I do see some signals that make me want to get in this trade, but it is. I don't know. It's more like akin to gambling. Will we make another run to the bottom? Probably. It's kind of been doing that. Yesterday we came down. Let's see what a 5 minute is yesterday. Yesterday we came down. We did not make a new low after the initial low, but we chopped around down there for a while. And at least, hopefully, I'll be able to get into a risk-free trade here. And so it looks like we'll take this one out and see where it puts us. Okay, so we'll get into. We're in a risk-free trade here. Let's see if we can just take it down to the bottom or get stopped out. Looks like we're gonna get stopped out.
We're in a
but-
risk-free trade here. Let's see.
But we are in a risk-free trade. And we've already done 170 today total from a little bit of last night and this morning. Looks like we're going to pop that. I'd love for it to keep moving down, but it looks like it's going to pop that one. Maybe on next candle. 2 seconds left for this candle. Okay. So, out of the trade, I'm 161 on the day. Solid trade today. Solid trade today. A little bit risky for not much reward on the end there. Still see, yeah, tweezer bottom there. Tweezer bottom there. Big wick on the 45. Big wick on the 1 hour, 90 minute, 1 hour. Tiny, teeny, tiny little wick there. So we did actually make a teeny, tiny little wick. We're at 28,000 volume still, so we will reverse on this candle. We still have the potential to reverse on this. We're already at 30,000, 174. Big wick down. I think I'm done for today though. This is what I got to get in the habit of doing, is just waiting, getting that win, and then getting out for the day. Now I do screw around a little bit, but I don't know. I want those last points. I think that's my problem. That's my problem. I want those last points. I want the points that I got out of early, and that's not a good thing to be chasing. But I'm in a risk-free trade now. Okay, we broke that level, broke that low. Let's see if we can get down to this low. Okay, looks like we might be getting our points that I missed out on. Look up from there, yep. Okay. Looks like I don't want to go down anymore. Still got 30 seconds left. This candle. Okay, here we go. Take another shot at it. Let's take another shot at it. We're showing a bearish candle now with creeping up more volume. We want to see this take out. I want to see this go. We'll probably go further. But I'm not going to see it go to. I just want to see if it'll give me equal. I'm above this pivot point. I'm gonna stay in it because I already won today, so I'm gonna stay in it. We've already made a fair value gap to the downside. We made 2 fair value gaps to the downside on the 1 minute, and we're creating one. There we go. Come on, you can do it. Don't be shy. I'd like to see another one being made, but all I really want's this. That's not too much to ask for. It's not getting greedy. Kind of whip back up now. All the way back up. Okay, I'm out. 189. That's a nice little bonus. We're on the brink of some sort of pivot, but we did make a really big push to the downside here. I'm getting stupid now. I'm getting stupid. Take that. Get a little bit of... We were so close to just wicking and returning, wicking down. And... okay, there we go. This should take us... hit that TP. Get it, boy. Get it, boy. Get it, boy. Don't... stop screwing around. Stop screwing around. Okay, I just got a point. Well, I'm at 195 for today. Oh, I'm at 195. Okay. He's gonna bang it. Now I could be looking to see if it blasts through this support level here and continues down. I'm not mad at this exit though. Now I'm kind of looking back up. Okay, so I initially got what I wanted. I'm going to look to see if it's going to reverse from here. I got basically my full TP. A few more points at least. So I probably got 30 points, close to it today. With fees and stuff. Not mad at it though. I'm not mad. So let's look at our performance from Fridays, like my real start of this new account. So I did 1,000 in profit, 92 trades. $186 divided by 92. It's basically 2 contracts times 10. It's 20, basically $20. No, not $20. $10. 107 divided by 4. 26 points a day. Ooh. Look at that. We're either going to reverse off of here or maybe go through it, or could range. But that's crazy. I mean, we knew that could happen. We knew that could happen. I'm going to be done for today. This is what we want. We want to see the velocity starting from the breakout, open like a bull out of the gates here. And I'm not trying to be a matador here. We hit this level here, it's a good chance it's going to retrace, but it could go lower, of course. That's damn, that's, oh wait, that's 20 points a move if I would have stayed in it. Pulled back a little bit and then, oh. So I'm in. Let's just screw around here. 366. Is this going to be the end of the road here? Am I gonna risk it all? We did break some levels here. We did break some levels here. If I can get into a risk-free, I will do that. Hopefully we'll get another push here. I'm not trying to go all the way with it anyways. I'm just trying to 9-6. It's like 10 more points basically. Probably got a lot of people either. Let's see what the one that's doing. A lot of buys and sells down there. This could be our pivot point. We are getting that reversal kind of yellow candle here. So we're down 3 points. 30 bucks here. The question is, can I double down my way out of this? Let's see. Let's filter out a little bit of this. It's mixed signal. Ooh. It's not really that much to ask, to be honest with you. We're reversing off this a little bit, starting to, trying to. This could be a healthy pullback and move down quite a bit more, hopefully. Need to be thinking about getting out at some point if it doesn't go my way. Still up 160 on the day. This could be now resistance, that's the thing. This could be a resistance zone. If you can get down to the bottom. $4.11. We got under 4.11. What's it look like back in time once we get to this level? Once we've crossed under it, we did this, so we came under it, we kind of rejected to the downside. We have done that quite a bit now. I'm going to try to, this is a bit risky, I admit, but if I could reposition here, if I could come down, I'm in 2 contracts, it could totally reverse, but we got some previous history of it getting a below there and then continuing down. I think it wants to go down. We've got a lot of signals still, let me see. That's 1 hour. Wicking down quite a bit, but we are wicking up down quite a bit too on the 1 hour. All right, I gotta go.